Hi friends, let's go into Hobby Lobby and see what I'll find today. Okay, I spotted Enamel Heaven for the kitchen. So this is all the spring line. This is really cute for the kitchen. Give us our daily bread, to put above your table, right by your table. Welcome to our porch I showed you last time. And look how cute this is. Home Sweet Home. It has like a little bud vase. You could put a bud in there. You could just leave it plain. I think it looks pretty. Just like that. Okay, and look how beautiful these buffalo check black and white galvanized pails. You could do so much with this guy. You could even use this as a planter. You could do it as storage. You could put it in your pantry to store, some of your food items. I think they're really pretty. I believe they come in 3 sizes. $14.99. Yeah, it's large, small, and medium. Really cute. All right, then I found this cute little butter dish. So cute. Everything's enamel I'm going to show you. $19.99. All right, these baskets are really cute. I like them for a pantry. They come in white and black. They're $19.99 each. Pricey, but I would love to have that in the pantry. I love how it looks. All right, life is better in the country. Those were cute canisters. I found these enamel plates. This one's a cow, $7.99. They had a pig and they had the chicken. That's beautiful to put like all 3 of them on your wall in the kitchen. That would be really cute. And then I found these. These would be great for a pantry too. Potatoes. They're a little heavy. All right, those are for potatoes. These are for onions. And that one I think is vegetables, which I think is so perfect for a pantry. All right, and then I found these other square plates. Really cute. $17.99. That's all they had. I see a cow and a pig. All right, and then look how pretty these round plates are. Home Sweet Home. You can just, hang it, or you can even use them as your place setting too. There's no place like home. Really cute. With the cotton stem all around. And this one says life is better in the country. Those are their 2 like logos right now, I guess. All right, this is a cute I want to say like a tray, but you could put flowers on there. You could put a whole bunch of different glass bottles, like little bud vases. That's really cute. And then I found this tray, Simply Blessed. Let's see how much that is. $19.99. All right, and then I found this chicken wire vases, which I loved. And this big one for flowers. I like that one. And then these are like bud vases. They remind me of magnolia. They sell a lot of those. These are 3 different sizes. This is cute too. All right, and look at these canisters. I just died over these. They're so cute for the kitchen, for your pantry, or anywhere. You can store all your stuff in there, really. Even in a craft room. Another bud vase. All right, look how cute these trays are. 2 sizes, and these are pretty. You can put them in your kitchen. You can put flowers in there. You can put your mail in there. You could do so many things with these enamel hanging baskets. I love the sign, Home Sweet Home. I like that one. I want to actually buy this one. Let's see, $24.99, and I actually like the fresh baked pies too. I showed you these metal wreaths last time. They come in 2 sizes. Those are pretty too. All right, and then some signs. Mind your own biscuits and gravy. I like that. Y'all. Cute little enamel signs. Those are cute with the pigs. Our happy place. It's a pretty big sign. That'd be cute to put in your kitchen or anywhere, really. This home sign. $11.99. Sweet as sugar. That's a cute little sign. Okay, this picture goes with those plates, and this is like a little pitcher. You see that little spout? It's not a mug. Good morning, sunshine. Life is better in the country. Blessed beyond measure. That's cute that it's on a canvas, that cow. This is pretty. Welcome to our home for the spring. It's enamel too. Family is not an important thing, it's everything. That's pretty too. I'm going to give you an overview because I love to look at everything all together. It just brings me joy. All right, now I want to show you this. This is cute. This is good to keep on your table, in your family room. It's wooden little XOXO. Then I found the round canisters with the buffalo check, the black and white. These are cute too. And then these can be planters. You can put your forks and knives. These, they say they're planters. They're really cute. You can use it for a lot of other stuff too, I think. Even you could put your sponges in there. So really cute. I love that. And then I found these. These are really pretty. They're like cutting boards, but you can hang them up. But I love that they have that woven in there. That's a little pig, and the other one was a rooster. All right, these are real cute. They said these are planters, but you could use them for many things in your kitchen. And this is a planter, which this you could use in your kitchen so you can hang it up, put your dish towels in there, kitchen utensils. I love those. They come actually in 2 sizes. It'd be pretty to hang up in your wall. All right, and then they have this enamel tobacco basket. Really cute for the kitchen or anywhere in your house, really. $24.99. And then they have these really nice black and white chargers. They're only $1.99. It makes a big statement when you're doing your table, like a nice tablescape. All right, and then I found some other enamel. 3-tier tray, and then this fresh milk canister, which is really nice. I can't get it down because it's really high up. This is another little, I think, mug, but you could put a flower in there. You can use your imagination. This is another like storage for the kitchen. It's like a little cleaning caddy. All right, I like that, like tea kettle. It's white but has blue, and so is this cute with the blue trim. You can even use these for storage. More enamel. They had a lot of enamel things in my Hobby Lobby. Colander. Let's see how much this, because I like this one. $27.99. Mugs. These again with the blue. I like that. That you could even keep as a planter, I think. Some trays. Market Fresh Organic. This is cute for decor. I don't think you can really use it. It's just for decor. And it'll make your kitchen look really country. A book stand. Okay, these are really cute, these 3 canisters. All right, now I'm gonna just give you an overview of this. Before I was leaving, I spotted it. So just to show you some goodies that they had. I'm not going into detail, but just to give you a little like look-see, like window shopping. I actually like that basket that says home, and I actually like this vase. I love Our Home is Filled with Love too. I just love the texture, the little woven in the middle. There's mugs, there's canisters, there's so many goody things. Planters, hanging planters. That's a beautiful throw. More mugs. This pillow's really nice. It's kind of like a boho feel, this whole section. 30. Use your 40% off. All right, let's look at this side before I leave. All right, that is really cute, that gather sign in the basket. I like that. This one right here, so cute. This is pretty too with the plants. Those canisters are nice. Okay, those are really nice, those woven napkin rings. I like them. Okay, so before I leave, I just want to show you these for the kitchen. This broom with the dustpan. I love the color. Okay, what did it say? $9.99. And then this is, I guess, a dish brush. Whatever you want to use it for, sink brush. This is a cleaning brush. I love the wooden handles. I'm thinking of coming getting this. And this is like a dish brush. So cute. I spotted this, so I had to show you guys because it was too adorable. All right, so thank you for shopping with me. Let me know if you liked anything, if you would pick up anything. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know you like these videos, and I'll keep going shopping for you guys and bringing you along. All right, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, I have a lot of videos coming up. I have a lot of spring videos. I have my spring home tour and my Easter tour, and I have my video for my spring refresh in the front of my house. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye.